Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to build a small calculator using Python. So let's go ahead and get started. So in our calculator, first we want to add two numbers. So we can use a function using the keyword def and the name of the function. We can call it add number with two parameters, a, b. This one will return the sum a plus b. The second function will be subtract a, b. It will return the difference of a and b. The third function will be multiply to perform multiplication. Take two parameters as well. Return A times B. So you get the picture now. Now the last one will be divide. Here we go use the try except we're gonna return A divided by B. If the input are valid, if the input are not valid, then we're gonna cut the error with the zero division error. And then we're gonna return error cannot divide by zero. So that's it. Now we can use the main function to call all the other function. So when the program start, we can just print calculator. So this slash n will allow us to print a new line before printing calculator to make easy to read the code. So now we can use the while loop and then we can print the menu. We're going to duplicate that one, 4, 5. Subtract multiply divide. And the last one will be to exit to break from the loop. So this will be 5. This will be 4. And this will be 3. So now we can use a variable called choice to prompt user to enter a choice between 1 and 5. After that, we can use the if statement to validate any input. So we're going to use the try as well, except to catch any error. So a float input, enter first number, and this will be b the second number, and then the exact value error, we just print must be a numerical value. So we can just copy this. And this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. And then we have if here choice equal 5. We can just print exiting the calculator. Then we can break the while loop, else we can just print a valid input. Valid inputs. Let's try it. So now let's fix this. This is if. Okay, that's correct. So now we can call the function here print. We can use the f string. The the sum between a and b is at a b. Add num 8b. Actually, here we go use plus. Okay. Now for 2, it will be, just go ahead and copy that to make it a little faster. And change a few things. So 2 will be the product of A and B. Then 3, this is 1, 2, okay. This is the difference. Between A and B. And then here, this will be the product. Here will be subtract. Let's make sure the first one's not correct. So now we have 4, the division, the division of A and B You just use value is divide AB. For so it looks like everything is done correctly. So we can now call the function if underscore name equal underscore. Then we can call the main function. Make sure that I'm making a mistake. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, here we go. One, on the first number five, on the second number two. Okay, see, there's a little mistake here. Input value, try again. Why this come out? Okay, it's supposed to be if if if, and that's it. So let's try again. One, five, two. The sum between 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's try the second one. 10, 3. The difference between 10 and 2 is 7. Okay. Let's try the multiplication. 7, 7. The product of 7 and 7 is 49. Good. 4, 315. The division of 300 by 15 is 20. Okay, what if we try to divide by 0? 300 and then 0. Okay, the error is being caught. Now let's see if we catch the error here for the addition if we enter a string. So let me type some gibberish here. Must be a numerical value. We cut the error and then it will start the while loop. So we can try now for 2. Let's add the 5 and then I enter a string. Must be a numerical value. It will start the while loop. 3. Again, do the same thing. 4. Okay, everything worked fine. Thanks for watching.